Welcome to Markets and New Proprietary Limited. In this video, I will go over with you how our index trader system works and some tips and tricks to help make your experience a good one. The Markets and New Index Trader system consists of 11 major stock market indices, such as the Euro 100, the FTSE 100, and the AEX, just to name a few. We continuously analyse and monitor the fluctuations of these international stock market indices, 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. When our analysts indicate a market is about to move in a specific direction, and we believe the overall condition of the market is safe to trade, Markets and New will alert our members on a specific market's anticipated movement, either up or down. This process is based on the concept of taking a position as to which way we believe an overall market will move in a specific time. Our members trade on these alerts and historically have been able to generate outstanding returns from the information received. This requires minimal investment by the trader in comparison to the traditional means of investing in a market, yet offers exceptional short-term returns should your trade be successful. Markets and New trading platform is unique in that it is based on trading in 1-hour blocks and offers returns on average of between 90 and 95% of the amount invested on every successful trade. As our members are never investing in a company or share, just simply taking a position on which way we believe a market will move over a specific time. This trading process is remarkably innovative, and although established internationally, it is now also available in the Australian and New Zealand markets. Now it's time to introduce you to the Markets and New Index Trader platform, or as we call it, the Members Lounge. At first glance, this page looks quite daunting, but let me assure you it's quite simple. Let's get started at the bottom and work our way up. At the bottom of this page, you'll see an interactive economic calendar. Okay, hold up. What's an economic calendar, you say? Let me explain. An economic calendar is used so that traders in foreign exchange markets will pay close attention to the global events by using an economic calendar. By having these release dates for each economic event, a trader can anticipate when major movements will happen. The most influential events include interest rate decisions, non-farm payroll numbers, changes in gross domestic product, the GDP, and the Consumer Price Index, the CPI. This calendar is placed here for experienced traders and is not required when acting on a Markets and New Index alert. There are two methods we use to send this information to our clients. One in the form of an SMS, and two, the live chart update center. But we'll get more into that later. Let's move on. Above the economic calendar is two economic live news feeds. These feeds are also here for expert traders only. Up from that, you will see the documents and tools. This section is always being updated with new tools and videos on how to help our members become more successful and gain peace of mind while trading. At the top right, you will see two buttons to enter the Index Trader platform. This is where you will place your trades, monitor your trades, and add and withdraw money from your trading account. Let's go into the expert area and take a look. At the very top of this page, you will see two chart windows. Select the market index from the menu. Once it loads, you will see a graph showing the market GMT time at the bottom and the market value on the side. To read these graphs is quite simple. Let me show you. Here we're looking at the German and the Belgian index with a starting time of 8:30 GMT and an ending time of 9:30 GMT. We have picked this trade for a fall, and as you can see from our starting point to our finish point, we are clearly lower, which means these trades would have been successful. Remember, the amount to win is not determined by how much the market has moved in your favor, only that it is lower or higher than your entry point to make your 95% return on investment. Below the charts is the Live Trade Update Center. This window is very important as it displays alert update information such as to sell a trade, to place trades 2 or 3, or reverse direction of a trade. So it is very important to monitor this window 10 minutes before a trade ends. Markets and You recommends setting alarms at the following times: 8 o'clock GMT, 8:20 GMT, and 9:20 GMT. Be sure to work out what this time is in your local time by adding or subtracting the hours from the GMT clock here. You can also use the countdown timer to alert you of your ending trades. Next we have the trade calculator. This tool is very important to our system and must be used correctly. Enter in the amount you would like to make from each trade here. This calculator will work out each amount you will need to enter into the Bet on Markets website to make that amount back, providing that your alert was successful in the first, second, or third hour. Below that we have the Bet on Markets website. This is Markets and You's preferred broker as we believe they provide a simple and easy to use web interface. So let's recap. What are our steps for placing a trade? Step 1. Receiving the alert. Step 2. Work out the profits for the night with the trade calculator. Step 3. Place your trade in the Bet on Markets website. So let's try it. Step 1. Receiving the alerts. Okay, so here we have an alert come through at 8:15 GMT time. The alerts are the Belgian index and the German index to rise at 8:30 GMT to 9:30 GMT. Now that I have my alerts, it is always a good idea to jot them down in the notepad as shown here. Step 2. Work out how much I'm going to make off each trade. I'm going to go with $50, so I'm going to make $50 per trade tonight. Now I just need to enter this information into the Bet on Markets website. To do this, I simply put my mouse over Start Trading, then click on Indices, then make sure you are on Rise/Fall as shown here. Next I just select my index and the starting time. The duration is 1 hour to make it finish at 9:30 and the payout is $108, which is what is matched on the trade calculator for trade 1. Now click on Get Contract Prices. Then click Buy this contract in the Rise box to match up with the rise given in the alert. Repeat the process for trade 2 by clicking Find Another Contract. If your trade continues into the second hour, then you must place trade 2 at 9:20 GMT. You will be instructed to place trade 2 by the Live Trade Update Center if it's necessary. If you are instructed to place trade 2, take the new price from the trade 2 section on the trade calculator and enter it in, as well as the new start and finish times. Remember, you can only place a trade 5 minutes before its starting time, so don't dawdle around. You may also be instructed to sell your trade before it starts in the last 20 seconds of a trade, so be sure to monitor the Live Trade Update Center at all times.